Good morning, grade 3s. Today we're going to be talking about the different tenses that we need to know in grade 3. And they are past tense, present tense, and future tense. Past means it's happened already. Present is what's happening now. And future tense either shall or will still happen. So let's start with present tense. He walks to the shop, we walk to the shop. Both are happening now. Even though one has got an S at the end, that's because we're talking about one person. He walks to the shop. When we say the next one, we walk to the shop, we leave the S off. Okay, that's present tense. Going on to past tense. We need to remember, just like this, we find the verb and now we change that verb to make it into the past tense. The spelling is very important here, and it's also very important to remember that the only thing that changes is the verb. We don't add or take anything else away. So, we walk to the shop. He walked to the shop, we walk to the shop. Alright, here as I said, spelling is very important. The list of verbs that you need to know how to spell and change is on page 7. So please go through that regularly and get those into your mind so that it becomes easier for you and the spelling starts to stick. The next one is the future tense. This one can be a bit more tricky because now we have to add a word. We add either shall or will, and this is the rhyme that we use to help us. I and we shall, everyone else will. So why do we say that? Because when we see either the word I or we add shall. Only for those two words. If it's anybody else, any other noun, any other pronoun, we use will. So in the example, the first example, he will walk to the shop. Why do we use will? Because it's not I and it's not we, so it's something else. It's he, so then we use will. The next one is we, so we use shall. We shall walk to the shop. Alright, so for today's activity, the instructions say you need to put these 4 sentences in the past tense. Once you've done that, you're going to change them to the future tense. Alright, and anything you change, like we always do when we're in class, use a color so that it stands out nicely. And then, as I said before, check your rules and spelling in your study guide. There the pages are, and go through them so that when you do this, you can do it without looking and put what you know into practice. Thank you.